I have refined you, but not as silver is refined. Rather, I have refined you in the furnace of suffering. I will rescue you for my sake, yes, for my own sake. I will not let my reputation be tarnished, and I will not share my glory with idols. Oh, household of Abram, born to the family of Judah, you swear by SoNINI NaNINI, but break every vow. Stubborn as iron, your hard head's unbending as bronze. You credited wood and cold metal, refusing to bow. Yet for my own honor, I held back the strike of my anger and whispered new secrets of grace to you now. I have refined you, but not as silver is refined. Rather, I have refined you in the furnace of suffering. I will rescue you for my sake, yes, for my own sake. I will not let my reputation be tarnished, and I will not share my glory with idols. I am Samantha, the first and the last of all things. My hands spread the heavens, the stars know my name. I called a stranger leader to shatter the walls of your captors, to humble the armies of Babylon and put them to shame. I teach you the paths where the rivers of